Hey friends, it is week 16. This is our review week. You have made it the entire semester. We are so proud of you. This week we are going to be doing a lot of review of everything we have learned, but we are also going to be covering one new topic, and that is going to be comparing organelles to organ systems. So we have your content notes like always and your video semester review. After this, you are not going to see an exit ticket. You are going to see a body system discussion. Let me click on this so you can see it. For this discussion, we expect you to show us effort and we expect you to give us a thorough response. Your topic is going to be over the body systems. So you are going to remember your 10 body systems: the circulatory, respiratory, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, reproductive, integumentary, digestive, and excretory systems. First, you're going to click the reply button to respond to this prompt. The most important system in the human body is the blank system because it blank. After you post your response, you must reply to another classmate's post. Okay? So you have to have 2 other responses to your other classmates. It will be a fun way that we can discuss and get involved with each other in class. Okay, so that is your discussion. That is new this week. After that, you are going to see your Google Slides presentation. This is just like always. You're going to go back to last week's body system, and we learned about the digestive and the excretory system. You do not have to do a Google Slides presentation over both the digestive and the excretory system. You only pick one. You do not do both. After that, you're going to start your review. You're going to review the organelle to organ system comparison cards. Then you're going to do a fun Kahoot review that goes over everything we've learned. Then a quizzes review. Then you're going to do your assessment. Your assessment this week is going to be the review for your final exam. You're going to try so hard on this review. You're going to use your notes, and you are going to do awesome on this review. This is everything we have learned. You have seen many of these questions before, so please try your hardest on this. After you do your assessment for the week, you are going to go on and do your semester 1 Canva project. This is also new this week. Some of you have already been using Canva, and I know some of you have not. But yay, we made it through the first semester, but we want to see if you can show us what you have learned. In your Canva, you are going to go over and include all of this information. Okay, so science, safety, cell theory, levels of organization, cell organelles, body systems. Be sure that when you submit it, you are submitting it with the copy link button and post it in this submission box. Okay, you do not need to email it to us. You need to submit it in this submission box. All right, guys, we are going to make it and we are going to have a great week. Please email your teacher if you have any questions and start reviewing for your final next week. It's going to be an awesome week. Bye, guys.